Howdy, my name is Sierra, and today I will be showing you how to draw the flower of life. So the supplies that you will need today are a pencil, a compass, an eraser, and a ruler. And so the flower of life is a relatively straightforward sacred geometry to draw, although it can be hard your first time because you kind of can get lost in it's all just circles, and you can kind of get lost in which circles are done and which still need to be going. So I'm going to try my best to kind of explain a good pattern to go in, but just if you get confused, I'll give you little pointers on how to kind of come back and find how to complete each circle that you have. So get your supplies, get your paper, and the first thing you want to do is find the center of your paper, and you do that by first measuring the length of your paper. So take your ruler, get that measurement, mine is 14, then you divide that by 2, so mine is 7, and then make 2 points lengthwise along your paper, which then you will be able to line up your ruler and draw that first center line. So then you're going to do the same thing with the height. So the height of my paper is 11 inches, so 5.5 is half. Make those 2 dotted points, line up the ruler, and draw that second center line. So this will give you the center of your paper. And then you're going to take your compass, and it's up to you on how big you want the flower to be, so just play around with that. I like to have it at about an inch, this distance here. And then you want to take that point at the center of your paper and draw your first circle. It's the start of your flower. And then move your next point up to where the center line meets the top of your circle, draw your second circle. Next, you're going to go to the intersecting point between those 2 circles in space. You can see here, make your third circle. And then basically you're just going to repeat this pattern, making the first round of outward circles. So you're just going to where the center circle intersects with the one that you just drew. So now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. And now we'll start on the next outer layer. So again, you're just finding those intersecting points. So now we're keeping going here, as you can see, again finding those intersecting points. And once you get to this point, you'll have these outer edge intersecting points, and that's just, again, where you want to keep putting the center of your compass to draw your next outer layer of circles. And it's up to you how many layers, how far you want it to go out. I stopped at this layer because I didn't have any more room, but you can really do whatever you want with it. And so that's the flower of life. You can expand it out as long as you want. You can do this and then draw a circle around the outer edge to kind of contain it. You can take some colored pencils, a regular pencil, markers, paint, whatever you want, and kind of fill it in to make it your own, and that's where you get to be really creative with it. Thanks so much for joining me here, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you're excited to go draw the flower of life. Let me know how it went. Thanks for watching.